I want you to imagine that you suddenly became rich overnight. Maybe one of your investments went to the moon, a side hustle you started took off, you got a large inheritance, or you won the lottery. Believe it or not,
Those are real. It can happen anytime. Now, the title of the video is interesting. When you get rich, tell no one. Well, this guy has 7 million subscribers. All day long, megaphoning about how much money I have, Habibi. Look at me, look at me. No, not that bad. He is a good guy. But come on, we don't have time to watch somebody's blabbering. We want to use AI. Stitchable99dfi.com. If you don't have this software yet, click the link in the bio to get it. The first thing I'm going to do is to get transcript from Tactic.io. Then I will copy it and I will put it right here in this baby box. And then just one click. AI is thinking. It will take a little time. In the meantime, if you turn your theme into a dark theme, you can. Oh, looks like the job is done. Then another click right here, and in a matter of seconds, I got complete independent course site. And it has a 6-step process called reaches. And all the process steps are on the right hand side, all taken from this video in just 2 clicks. Now, I want to add a title or a headline of this page, put it here, and a subheadline. And I want to add a call to action that will show after 5 seconds. Added, boom. And now I'm going to save the whole page. Now look at my website. Did you see that? And the button will show in just 1 second. Look at this. Now you can use this website as a lead magnet, as a course site, as a mini course site, as a challenge site. You don't need your own website. This is enough for you to share value message, sales message, and make some sales and make money. I want to make it larger a bit. Yeah, that looks good. And let's go to the first step, R.
Stealth Rich. He went around telling everyone and even became famous for giving money to strangers that asked him for help. He gave away millions to the church and even bought his friends new cars and houses. Now, you're probably thinking he sounds like a lovely guy, maybe a bit silly, but he had a good heart and good things come to kind people. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth. His wife divorced him, friends abandoned him, and his granddaughter, who he spoilt with money, tragically died from an overdose.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
He later admitted that being too much of a nice guy destroyed both his fortune and his family. So now you understand the importance of being stealth rich. How do you actually do it? Well, even if you keep this as quiet as possible, some people will still suspect you. It's like those TikToks that say, I won't tell anyone when I become rich, but there will be signs. This means you'll become far more likely to get robbed, sued, blackmailed, or scammed. Once people know you have a bit of money, they descend like vultures. Trust me, I've experienced it. They say this is because money changes people. However, over my years, I've realized that money actually just reveals who that person really is. The only person you should tell is an attorney. Make sure you get a good one that specializes in trust.
Wow, that's a serious topic. Well, my question is, if you are in a niche like my niche, make money online, business opportunity, how can you actually hide it? Well, at the same time, it proves that evil eye thing that Muslims strictly believe in. Wow. Let's go for the next one, I. So R was remain private. Now let's go to the second one, I.
That you actually enjoy, at least for a bit. When people quit working entirely, all they have to think about 24/7 is how they're going to spend their money. Many end up starting a random business they know nothing about because they're bored and now have the money to do it. Some people even buy restaurants and end up on Gordon Ramsay's kitchen nightmares. Being rich and bored is a really dangerous situation to be in. The way I've always thought of it is, if you're working, then you're not spending. So keep your life as normal as possible for at least 6 months. You need to process having all this money and not give in to the temptation of spending it.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
I think this doesn't matter. You're rich now. Why worry about a few little debts when you could pay it off if you wanted to? Well, these debts can quickly start eating into your fortune, and before you know it, you'll be left with nothing. Focus on paying back your highest interest rate debts first. The main culprit here is credit cards. These often have 20 to 30% interest rates, which eat away at your money faster than almost anything else. Then you have car loans and personal loans. These are worth clearing if the rates are high. Finally, you have mortgages. Paying off their house is often one of the first things people do after suddenly becoming...
Wow, every single word being said is true. Debt is a devil. Man, this is getting serious. So the second one was invest in enjoyment. Now we are going to the third step, C.
High interest debt. Promise yourself never to fall back into that cycle. When you become rich all of a sudden, the people closest to you often feel entitled to a share of it because in their mind, you didn't earn it with honest hard work. They'll start asking for loans that they often don't intend to pay back, or even come up with genius business plans they need you to invest in. Trust me when I say the fastest way to lose family and friends is to lend them money. Just do it. They may resent you a little in a moment, but they'll get over it. That's far better than getting into a messy situation where everyone falls out. But what if you want to help out family and friends? Well, I have a simple rule. If someone I know asks me for help and they genuinely need it, then I give them the money and don't expect to ever be paid back on one condition. They never ask me for money again.
Can I have some money then, Mark?
No, you're joking, and I pay you plenty. I recommend you do the same because you don't want people using you as their emergency fund. If you help them out once and they know they can come back for more, they're less likely to be responsible with their own money because they know you just bail them out again. I know this point sounds quite heartless, but it's really the opposite.
Oh, yes, that's right and wrong at the same time, because I think everything from my religious point of view, it's important to take care of your relatives. I'm not saying friends and everyone else, but it's important to take care of your relatives. If they are in need, it's our job to help them out, because not everyone is smart like you. No matter how much they try, they won't be able to make money. Maybe they can, maybe they can't, but our wealth generation, the barakah in our wealth, depends on how we take care of our parents, how we treat our relatives. And again, the money will be protected and given back to you by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because it is His. Because ultimately, all this money and wealth belong to Him. And He made it our responsibility to take care of our parents, to take care of our relatives, period. Now, finding the right balance, it's up to you. Now, we are at the fourth step.
And crushing debt forced them to sell. This all happened because they didn't understand the golden rule. Never spend the principal, only the interest. You should be trying to grow a money tree that produces new income every month, not cutting it down for temporary.
A point to be noted here, for Muslims, you don't think about interest, you think about profit. No matter how tempting it is, don't save your money or invest your money to earn interest. Instead, invest in profit and loss based investments. Do your due diligence. If you can't, you don't, but no interest. Remember, interest is haram.
Firewood. That's where your freedom figure comes in. Work out exactly how much income you need each year to live the life you want, then multiply it by 25. So if you want an income of $200,000 per year, you'll need to invest at least $5 million of your new wealth. The idea is that you'll never actually have to dip into the $5 million and be able to live on the $200,000 of interest every year, even if you haven't received a large sum of money.
Again, another point, live out of interest. That's not what we do. Don't think that way. Don't follow that. It is just him He's saying that, he's doing that. He doesn't have our religious obligations, so it's fine for him, but not for us.
Become instantly rich, it's still worth working out your freedom figure, as it's a great target to aim for. The rule of 25 is based on a 4% safe withdrawal rate. I personally aim to grow my money by more than 4% though, just to be safe. That brings us on to the most common thing I hear is, where can I find those kinds of interest rates? My account only gives me 0.
We don't want to hear any more about interest. We want to move to the next step. It starts with E.
Growth engine, and has averaged about 9% per year over the last 20 years. But future returns could be higher or lower. On $1 million, that's around $90,000 a year. Second, I'd put $1 million into a low-cost total bond market index fund such as this one. A bond fund is a pool of loans you give to governments or companies. Instead of owning one bond, you own a basket of many, which pay.
I want to pause here. I want to leave these investment things to you. Speak to your favorite scholar who will be there to answer your future questions. Make sure you follow Islamic laws in order to get dunya and akhirah. We better move on to the next step, which is S.
If I'd put $1 million into a high interest savings account, such as this one from SoFi that offers up to 4.5%.
They are so into the interest thing that we can't even watch the full video. But overall, I think this is one of the best videos from Mark. The summary is stop showing, start saving and investing. But what I did not agree with him is the charity or giving away or helping thing. Yes, you should be using your due diligence, but remember, all your money, all your wealth belong to Allah. Only His rules will make you money, will protect your money. So follow that. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.